Hello, and thank you for considering a consultation with me on Fiverr. I understand how important it is to find a time that works for both of us, and I've made it super easy for you to check my availability. Let me walk you through the process. First, when you're on Fiverr, simply click on my username, an802adam, at the top of the chat screen. This will take you directly to my profile page. Once you're on my profile, you'll see a button that says Book a Consultation. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be prompted to accept Fiverr's terms. Once you've done that, you'll be presented with options for the duration of our consultation. You can choose between 30 minutes or an hour, depending on your preference. Next, you'll see a calendar. This shows my availability for the upcoming dates. Simply select a date that works for you. After selecting a date, you'll see the times I'm available. The best part: these times are automatically synced with your local time zone, so there's no need for any time conversions. Just pick a slot that's convenient for you. You have the option to book a paid consultation, and you'll receive a summary of our meeting afterward. Alternatively, if you just want to find a suitable time and discuss further details later, you can send me a direct message with your preferred time slot. I'm here to make this process as seamless as possible for you. I pride myself on being a full-time instructional designer, exclusively on Fiverr, which gives me the flexibility to cater to your needs. Let's chat soon, and until then, have a Fiverristic day.